Hey guys, welcome back to a special episode of Motorcycle Rewind, where we get to unbox this this great package that we got from Speed Moto Co. in Oregon. The great thing is I've been waiting on this. This is for the Honda CB550K, and I'll share with you guys what we got. Super excited about this. It's going to be, I think it's going to be a game changer for the CB550. So you can see right here, this is what we have. Obviously we have a fuel filter. We've got these two intakes. And as you may or may not know, the CB550 has a 4 carbs on a rail. So this is a setup that goes 4 to 2, and I've got 2 of the VM34 Mikunis that go right into it, fit right in there. I think the rest of and it comes the complete kit. So it's got both carburetors, it's got intake boots to fit on top of it, and yeah, let me pop out the other carburetor. I mean, it comes with everything you need to be able to do it. The only thing is that you cannot use it for aircraft. So a couple of Mikunis for this. Let me pull this down. It has different carb pull, throttle pull, uni filters, splitter for the fuel, and it comes ready to install. So that will be what we're doing in this video. So super excited. So we'll have everything we need to go through. And the great thing with this kit is they give you everything down to the instructions that you have to do. So cool thing is you tell them the type of what mods you have on your bike, and then they send you the it pre-jetted exactly the way you're going to need it. So which is really cool. This is going to be awesome. It's going to take that 550 just to a different level. So it'll work out great. I'm super excited about this. I'm looking forward to it. That's going to be what we get to do in this video. So just wanted to unbox this to show you guys what we have going on, and we'll get this thing put together, and you'll see us go from all the way through installing this thing, this carb kit. So super excited to make this happen. Cool. You guys enjoy. And you'll see me putting it all on the next video. Thanks a lot. I can't wait to put this together. Enjoy. Really appreciate you guys watching. So this is coming up in the next video. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.